The health benefits and uses of mustard oil. 1. Mustard oil is widely used in cooking for its delicious flavour around the world. It is also used as a natural remedy for many ailments. 2. Mustard seeds are harvested from the plant and are cold pressed to release a wonderfully fragrant and tasty oil. This has been used since ancient times by the Greeks, Romans and Indians. 3. This is often used in North India and Pakistan as a lighting fuel for earthen lamps on festive occasions such as Diwali or weddings. 4. It contains alpha-linolenic acid and urucic acid. These are excellent for improving the health of the body, especially in protecting the heart. 5. The compounds within the oil helps to destroy harmful bacteria when used in cooking, protecting your body from food poisoning. 6. Mustard oil can be applied externally to the skin to treat bacterial and fungal infections. The vitamin E within is soothing to the skin and is therefore often used in massages. 7. Scientific research has shown that mustard oil helps to prevent stomach and colon cancers. The linolenic acid is converted to omega-3, which strengthens the cells. 8. Consuming this oil regularly lowers the risk of a heart attack by up to 50%. It reduces blood cholesterol levels and prevents plaquing of the arteries. 9. Some people suffer with the numbness or lack of sensation within the muscles. Simply massaging a few drops of this oil into the area helps to stimulate them quickly. 10. Those who suffer with arthritis or joint pain can also use this to relieve tension. 11. The oil is quite spicy and provides a warming sensation on the body. This promotes sweating and is perfect when living or travelling to warm climates. It helps to lower body temperature. 12. The pungent nature of the oil helps to destroy bacteria in the throat and nasal passages when you are suffering with a cold or infection. This promotes fast healing. 13. You can mix 1 tablespoon of camphor with 1 tablespoon of mustard oil to create a chest rub. This is useful for those who suffer with asthma or bronchial issues. 14. The omega-3 fatty acids within mustard seed oil helps the hair to grow longer and become healthier. This works when taken internally and applied externally to the scalp as a pre-shampoo moisturiser. 15. It is also a natural treatment for gum disease and can be massaged into sore or red gums within the mouth. This works fast to destroy harmful bacteria and infections within gum tissue. 16. When purchasing this oil, be sure to check the label and see if it is usable for cooking or external use only. The cooking variety will be food grade. 17. This oil is also very popular to use in cooking in Japan and is widely used for its ability to clear the nasal passages and unblock the nose. 18. Using nutritious foods from nature and avoiding processed carbohydrates always triggers a weight loss effect in the body. The body becomes healthy and then balances its fat reserves. 18. To learn more about natural foods, herbs and medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.